To install APK files on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down and then we'll need to find the privacy protection options. Go into special permissions right here and then you can scroll down until you find install unknown apps. And after that, you will need to select an app that you want to install the APK file with. So for example, we can go for file manager, which for honestly would be the best option. You can then allow it from this source, wait 10 seconds and click on OK. So let's just wait those 10 seconds. And then we need to open an app that we've allowed the access to install unknown apps for. In this case, we did it for the file manager. If you open file manager, you can then look for an app file that you want to install in the browse. You can find it probably in the downloads folder, and then you can click on it to install that app file. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.